In this video, we are going to learn about how to remove watermark from an image. Here you can see I have an image and here is a MedX watermark. Now I want to remove this watermark using AI. So let's get started. First of all, open Gemini or AI Studio. You can use Google AI Studio or you can use Gemini. I want to use Google AI Studio. Then click to image generation and then again click to nano banana. Now drag and drop your picture into this timeline. After that, just write a prompt to remove your watermark. And then click to run. Within a few moments, it will remove your watermark from any images. Voila, you can see there is no watermark in this image. You can remove any watermark using this method from any kind of images. So I hope you should like this video.